Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to add these two unlike fractions together using these three steps. Step number 1. We first need to find the LCD. The LCD is the least common denominator, and all that is it's the least common multiple for the denominators that we have. In this fraction, the denominator is 7, and in this fraction, the denominator is 4. What is the least common multiple for 7 and 4? Well, that's the number 28. And since we found the LCD, we're done with step 1. And now we can move on to step 2, which is to use the LCD to create equivalent fractions. Let's look at this top fraction first. 2 over 7. 7 times what equals 28? That's 7 times 4. And since we multiplied the bottom of the fraction by 4, to find the equivalent fraction, we have to do the same exact thing to the top. So now we'll do 2 times 4. And that equals 8. So the fraction 8 over 28 is equivalent to the fraction 2 over 7. Now let's look at the bottom fraction, 1 over 4. 4 times what equals 28? Well, that's 4 times 7. And because we need to create an equivalent fraction, whatever we multiply the bottom of the fraction by, we multiply the top the same exact way. So we'll do 1 times 7. And that equals 7. So that means the fraction 7 over 28 is equivalent to the fraction 1 over 4. Now that we have our equivalent fractions, that means we're through with step 2. Now on to step number 3, which is to add the numerators. So let's set up our addition. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So that's going to be the numerator in our answer. And whenever we're adding like fractions, which is what we have now because the denominators are the same, we keep that denominator. So we'll have 15 over 28. And this means we're done with step 3, and our final answer is 15 over 28. So there you go, Math Aces, a very straightforward example of how to add unlike fractions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.